There are nights when I have but cry, and I wonder why you have to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I